Sorrento's Pizza. Oh look, door's open. Let's go into Sorrento's Pizza. Okay.
We have 2 slices of vegetarian pepperoni slice.
Oh yeah. Hey, can I have a slice of cheese? This one right here? Yes, one. Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. Alright, let's go. I got the cheese. Let's try it out, okay? Everybody can see? Alright, let's lower it up a little bit. Nope, further down. Alright, cheese pizza, nice crust, thin, got some burnt marks on the backside. Let's take a taste. That's good. It holds, doesn't flop. Good crust. Yeah. Pretty good for shook pizza. And it's a hot seller here. So, get you some if you're on a Royal Caribbean ship. Sorrento, super popular. Great pizza. Enjoy. Thanks for watching another video. Take care, guys. Have a great day.